Matrices and determinants, exercise 1.2. First question, find the rank of the following matrices by minor method. First rank of matrices la nama concentrate panna vendiyadhu whether it is a square matrix or rectangular matrix. Square matrix na eppadi irukona, number of rows equal to number of columns, number of rows equal to number of columns. Rectangular matrices na number of rows is not equal to number of columns. இங்க first subdivision பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2 row 2 column. This is a square matrix. But in the second subdivision 1 2 3 rows 1 2 columns. So this is a rectangular matrix. What is the difference between rectangular matrix and square matrix? Means square matrix la வந்து number of rows equal to number of columns. Rows or columns equal ஆ இருந்துச்சுனா அது square matrix. Rectangular matrix na number of rows is not equal to number of columns. Now we are starting the first sum. First we are taking and writing A equal to, what is the given number? 2 minus 4 minus 1 2. And then A is a matrix of order. What is the order of matrix here? 2 by 2. Order of matrix எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்போம்னா row by column. Order of matrix is row by column. இது into னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. Whether you can say it as cross or by. இது எப்படின்னு சொல்லணும்னா by or cross. Cross product, by product. Not into symbol. Multiplication கிடையாது இது. Pronounce பண்ணும்போது 2 by 2. First one is row, another one is column. How many rows are there? 2 rows. How many columns are there? 2 columns. So first you take and write the what is given value, A value you can take it and write, and then the order of matrix is 2 by 2. If it is 2 by 2, 2 by 2. But on the second subdivision is 3 by 2. So this one is 2 by 2. And this is the symbol for rank. Rank symbol is this one. So here A, rank of A is less than or equal to 2. First you can check the order of matrix and then write it as less than or equal to 2. Second order minor. Second order minor means that is 2 by 2 matrix. Now first step is we want to find out the determinant. Determinant, first multiply those numbers. In the diagonal numbers you multiply பண்ணுறோம். As it is நம்ம பண்ணுறது தான் first exerciseல பண்ணுறது தான். 2 2s are 4. நான் அதை செப்பரேட் பண்ணி ஒரு ரெண்டு சம்க்கு எழுதியிருக்கேன். So 2 into 2 middle minus sign. This cross minus 4 into minus 1. ஏன்னா சைனில் சேஞ்ச் தப்பு பண்ணிட்டோம்னா ரேங்க் ஆஃப் மேட்ரிக்ஸ் தப்பாயிடும். ஸோ அதனால இந்த மாதிரி ப்ராக்கெட் போட்டு எழுதிங்க. இல்லை டேரெக்டாகவும் பண்ணலாம். டேரெக்டாக இந்த ஸ்டெப் வந்துடும். 2 2s are 4. In middle minus sign, here minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. 4 1s are 4. டேரெக்டாக இந்த ஸ்டெப் வந்துடும். If you need, you can concentrate in the step. So 2 2s are 4, middle minus sign, and then multiply those numbers. You can get the answer as 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Now here we are getting as determinant A value is 0. So determinant A oda value 0 வந்துச்சுனா rank of A is not equal to 2. Yeah, rank of A is less than or equal to 2. 2 விட கம்மியா இருக்கணும். Less than or equal to 2. Equal to 0 if you are getting determinant A value, then rank of A is not equal to 2. So first order minor is non-vanishing. So the answer is first order minor. Rank of A is 1. Less than 2 na 1 da varum. 0 varadu. Once again I will repeat the first sum. A equal to 2 minus 4 minus 1 2. A is the order of 2 by 2 matrix and rank of A is less than or equal to 2. Find out the determinant A value. Determinant A value we are getting as 0. So rank of A is not equal to 2. So first order value, rank of A is 1. This is the first subdivision. And second subdivision, this is a rectangular matrix. First one is square matrix. This is rectangular matrix. How should you check? This one is rectangular matrix means number of rows is not equal to number of columns. Here rows are 3 rows are there, 2 columns are there. So 2 is not equal to 3. So A equal to, take and write the answer. Order of matrix A is, first step is A and then order of matrix. First row and then column. First எப்பயுமே row ஓட value போடணும். எத்தனை row இருக்கு? 1 2 3. Column 1 2. So 3 by 2. And rank of A is less than or equal to 2. Because we are finding the minor. In this one minor is 2. So rank of A is less than or equal to 2. Here second order minor. இங்க வந்து 2 by 2 matrix இருந்துச்சு அப்படியே determinant பண்ணிட்டோம். பட் இதுல வந்து செகண்ட் ஆர்டர் மைனர்னும் போது தனித்தனியா 2 by 2 எடுத்து பண்ணி determinant A கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். First இந்த ரெண்டு ரோக்கும் determinant. First two rows we are finding the determinant. Minus 1, 3, 4, minus 7. Same way only. Minus into minus plus 1 into 7 is 7. Next one in middle minus sign. 3 4s are 12. இந்த step போடுறதுனா போடுங்க. First bracket எழுதிட்டு minus sign எப்பவுமே middle வரும். And then this diagonal 3 into 4 is 12. 7 minus 12 is minus 5. Minus 5 is not equal to 0. So rank of A equal to 2. But in this case this determinant A value how much we got? 0. So rank of A is not equal to 2. See the difference between those sums. So rank of A equal to 2. This is the second subdivision. Then third subdivision. First check it whether it is a square matrix or rectangular matrix. Yeah, 1, 2. 2 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns are there. இது ஒரு column, இது ஒரு column, இது ஒரு column, இது ஒரு column. Rows பார்க்கும்போது இது ஒரு row, இது ஒரு row. So number of rows is not equal to number of columns. So this is a rectangular matrix. So A equal to, you take and write. What is the order of matrix? First how many rows are there? 2 rows. So 2. Order of matrix is row by column. Row by column. So row is 2, column is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So column 4. And the rank of A, what is the minor number? 2. So rank of A is less than or equal to 2. Now we are taking the second order minor. Now we are taking the second order minor. Second order minor na idhula eppadi edutho? First 4 number edutho. Illa indha numberiyum edukalam. Illa rendume edukalam. Rendume check பண்ணனும் 0 வருதா இல்லையா. இங்க not equal to வரதுனால ஒன்னு not equal to 0 வந்தாலும் rank of A என்ன ஆயிடும் 2. In case இது வந்து 0 வந்துச்சுனா you can take one more value and find out the answer. In this way I am taking the first 2 rows and 2 columns. So 1 minus 2 3 minus 6. So இந்த ரெண்டு ரோவையும் நான் எடுத்து செக் பண்றேன். செக் பண்ணும்போது 1 into minus 6 is minus 6. In middle minus, minus into minus plus. 3 2s are 6. Minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. So 0 வந்துச்சு. 0 வராம not equal to 0 வந்தா இங்கே rank of A எழுதிடலாம். But இங்க வந்து 0 வரதுனால you can move for the next two rows and 2 columns. Next 2 rows and 2 columns is this column and this column we are adapting. Minus 2, minus 6, minus 1, minus 3. Multiply those. 3 into 2 is 6. Minus into minus is plus. Yeah, minus into minus plus. In middle minus sign should come. Plus into minus is minus. 1 into 6 is 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Again we are getting 0. Then try for the next 2 terms. Minus 1, 0. Minus 3, 1. So, minus plus into minus is minus. 1 into 1 is 1. Next one, this one will come it as 0 only. 0 multiplied with any other number means 0 only. So, the answer is minus 1. Minus 1 is not equal to 0. Minus 1 is not equal to 0. Now, you can check it less than or equal to 2. So, the rank of matrix is 2. Rank of matrix is 2. Next, fourth sum. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 3 by 4 matrix. That is order of matrix is a rectangular matrix. This is number of rows is not equal to number of columns. Let A equal to. This number of rows not equal to number of columns. Row column equal இல்லாம இருக்கு unequal-ஆ இருக்குது. அதாவது இங்க எத்தனை row இருக்குன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா 1 2 3 row. Column 1 2 3 4. So 3 by 4-ஆ இருக்கு. Which is the minor one? 3. 3 தான் minor இல்ல. So rank of A is less than or equal to 3-ஆ தான் இருக்கும். Rank of matrix என்னவா இருக்கும்? ஒன்னு 3-ஆ இருக்கும் இல்ல 3-ஐ விட கம்மியா இருக்கும். இது third order minor. Third order minor. ஏன்னா இத 2 by 2-ஆ எடுக்க முடியாது இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பரா. காலம்ல எப்படி வருதுன்னா 3 வருது. So நம்ம எப்படி எடுக்கறோம்னா third order minor. You can take determinant value 0 1 2 0 2 4. இந்த determinant value எடுத்துக்கிறோம். ஏன்னா ஃபுல்லா 3 by 3-ஆ எடுத்து நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணலாம். 3 by 3-ஆ எடுத்து தான் மல்டிப்ளை பண்றோம். 0 1 2 0 2 4 8 1 0. 0 கூட எதை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணாலும் என்ன வரும்? 0 தான் வரும். Then minus 1. Minus 1 எழுதிட்டேன். Minus 1 எழுதிட்டா இந்த column, this row. You can close it and multiply. This one will come it as 0 minus 32. So 0 minus 32. Next, plus 2. You can close those columns and rows. 0 into 1 is 0. Minus 8 2s are 16. So this is 0 minus into minus plus, 0 minus 32 is minus 32. So plus 32, minus into minus plus should come plus 32. Yeah, plus into minus, minus 16 into 2 is 32. So 32 minus 32 is 0. 32 minus 32 is 0. Next you can move for, இங்க 0 வந்தவன என்ன செய்யணும், next வேற determine 0 வரலனா it's not equal to 0, straight away you can put the rank of matrix. 0 வந்துச்சுனா one more element you can take it. Next இந்த 3 rows 3 columns எடுத்துக்கலாம். first row eliminate பண்ணிட்டு இந்த 3 rows and 3 columns 1 2 1 2 4 3 1 0 2. Now you can do the determinant. First we are taking 1, so you can close this column and this row. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 0. Next minus 2. Close this one and this one. So what will come? 4 minus 3. Next one is plus 1. You can close those things. You can get it as 0 minus 4. 8 minus 0 is 8. 8 ones are 8. 4 minus 3 is 1. So minus 2 into 1 is 2. Plus into minus, minus 2. Next 0 minus 4 is minus 4. Plus into minus, minus 4 ones are 4. Yeah, minus 4 minus 2. Minus 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 is not equal to 0. So what is the minor this one? 3. So rank of A is 3. Difference புரியுதா? இது வந்து 3 by 3 matrix ஆனா straight away rank of A is less than or equal to 3 னு பண்ணிக்கலாம். பட் இது வந்து rectangular matrix இருக்கிறதுனால first minor matrix செக் பண்றோம். This is third order function, but this one is 2 by 2 தான் இருக்கு. இதுல 3 எடுக்க முடியாது ஏன்னா 3 columns கிடையாது. பட் இதுல 3 rows இருக்கு 3 columns இருக்கு. அதனால first 3 numbers எடுத்து determinant find out பண்றோம் 0 வருது. Next move for the leave the first column and take the second, third, fourth column. And doing the determinant we are getting the answer as 2. 2 is not equal to 0. In this one rank of A equal to 3 because 3 is the minor. We are taking rank of A is less than or equal to 3. Not equal to 0 means what is the answer you are taking here? That is the rank of matrix. That's all.